Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the ASUS ROG Zephyrus G14 14-inch gaming laptop powered by the AMD Ryzen 7 4800HS processor. You can tell from the logo itself that this is a very standard ROG Republic of Gamers logo. There's no other information on this particular box, so let's just open it and dive straight in. So we're going to open it from here. So this is a laptop sleeve for this particular gaming laptop, for the Zephyrus G14. I'm going to give you a closer look of this particular laptop sleeve. There you go, this is what it looks like. It has a nice gaming inspired design. It has the choice of champions written on top. There's a zip pouch over here as well. There is also a Republic of Gamers logo right over here, if you can see. Okay, this is not a pouch, just a design element. There's a lanyard over here to carry this particular pouch around when you want to. Okay, thermocol packing, let's get rid of that. And yes, there are like a couple of compartments over here as well. All in all, a very nice touch. I'm going to leave this on one side. Now it's time to check out this box and see what's inside. This particular variant is called the Moonlight White variant, is it? Yeah, the Moonlight White variant. And what else do we have in this box? This has, I'm assuming, some documents. Yes, there are some documents here. This comes over here. This is the charging brick, the AC adapter for the laptop, and we probably have one more element in this box. Yes, this is the rest of the charging cable. Do we have anything else? No, that's more or less it. This is all we have, all we get inside the box. Let me just put this back in. Yep, that's it. Let's quickly take a look at each of these components. So this is a 250 volt 3-pin plug for the charger. Next up we have, this is the AC adapter. This is the 180 watt AC adapter or a charging brick for the gaming laptop, the Zephyrus G14. As mentioned earlier, this one has a lot of documents in them. Let's quickly take a look at each of them. This is a quick installation guide, quick setup guide for the G14. This is a registration card for from ASUS, and this is a quick setup guide for these for the G series, for the Zephyrus G series. Finally, we have this, a light it up, enter the anime matrix. This is a graphic novel / comic book that has come with this particular laptop. It's basically it's a marketing ploy, but a very nice marketing idea. Instead of having a brochure, you have an entire graphic novel. Not a bad touch at all. Now it's time to take a look at the actual laptop. I'm going to remove everything else. So yeah, this is what the laptop looks like. I'll give you a closer look. So there you go. This is what the laptop looks like. The Republic of Gamer logo is right over here. This is Moonlight White variant, and it also comes with the anime matrix design, which I'm assuming is this. Surprisingly lightweight for a gaming laptop, although it has a metallic chassis of sorts. It looks metallic at least. A couple of number of ports on this side. There is a HDMI port and a USB-C type port, along with a 3.5mm jack and the power port right over here. On this side we have two USB-A ports and a USB-C type port. Anything on this end? No, just the various vents and fan configuration. The nice design, obviously a gaming inspired design. Let's take a closer look inside. Show this. There we are. I'm going to turn this laptop on and see if this works. There you go. We seem to have display. Just wait. There you are. This is the Republic of Gamers logo right on top. There you are. the display you can see. The trackpad is actually quite small compared to the rest of the keyboard, but then again, this is not an entire keyboard. This is not a full keyboard. The numpad basically is missing. However, you do have the directional keys, and these directional keys also have added functionality like controlling the backlit LEDs of the keyboard, for instance. You can increase the brightness and you can decrease the brightness and switch it off, so on and so forth. There are a lot of other functionalities on this keyboard as well. There are two stickers here that I'll draw your attention to. So let's quickly take a look at them. Yes, so one is, on one it's written AMD Ryzen 7 4000 series. In fact, this particular laptop is powered by the AMD Ryzen 7 4800HS, and we also have a NVIDIA GeForce GTX sticker. So this laptop is also powered by the NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650 graphics card. And that's it. This is it. This is what you find inside the box containing the ASUS ROG Zephyrus G14 14-inch gaming laptop powered by AMD Ryzen 7 4800HS processor. Thank you for watching.